Hello everyone and welcome to class today. Today we'll be discussing subtraction of decimals. Subtraction of decimals. Let's consider the following questions. Simplify the following. Number 1, we have 14.3 minus 10.2. Number 2, 5.82 minus 3.75. Number 3, 6.20 minus 4.31. Let's see them. Solution. Number 1, let's arrange them according to our place value. We have 14.3, then 10.2. Okay, put our operation, which is the minus sign. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 0, 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, as in addition of decimals, is also that's the same way our decimal points will follow a straight line in addition of numbers. That's how we have it in subtraction of numbers. Okay, let's see number 2. We have 5.82 minus 5.82 minus 0.75. Now, 2 is smaller than 5. Okay, so what do? We borrow 1 from here and put it here. This place becomes 12, and this becomes what? 7. 12 minus 5, we have 7. 7 minus 7, we have 0. 5 minus 3, we have 2. Again, my decimal point follows a straight line. This becomes my answer. Number 3, we have 6.20 minus 4.31. As we all know, 0 means nothing. 0. So we'll borrow 1 from here and we'll add it to this place. It becomes 10. 10 minus 1 will give us 9. Remember, we borrowed 1 from here, which gave us what? Or rather, having borrowed 1, we have just 1 left. 1 cannot minus 3. Right? So we'll take 1 from this side and add it to this place. It becomes what? 11. Now, for every 1 you borrow, it becomes a 10. Okay? So 10 plus 1 will give us 11. 11 minus 3 is 7. Remember, we borrowed 1 from here. So what we have left is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So this becomes our final answer. What if you are asked other questions? Let's see other examples. What if the question comes in this form? Find the difference between the following. Number 1, we have 5 and 3.17. Number 2, we have 6 kilometers and 2.85 kilometers. Number 3, we have 9 and 1.375. Number 4, we have 2.85 and 1. Alright, so let's see these examples. Solution. We have, for the first one, we have 5, 3.17. Now take note. Come over to this side. Take note that every whole number has a decimal point behind it. Okay? Every whole number has a decimal point behind it. So when I write my 5, I will simply put a decimal point. Then my 3 will be under here because this is the whole number part. And remember, this is our decimal part. 0.17. what do I do with these empty spaces? I can put zeros. Alright? Difference simply means minus. So I put my operation sign, then we can solve. Alright, now 0 cannot minus 7. What do? You check the number in front and try to borrow from it. This is also 0. There's nothing we can do from there. So we'll come this way and borrow from here. When we borrow from here, this place becomes 4. When we bring it here, here becomes 10. Alright, remember I told you for every one you borrow, it becomes a 10. Okay, now I want to borrow from here to this place. So when I borrow 1, 10 minus 1 becomes 9. Here becomes 10. 10 minus 7 will give us what? 3. Remember what I have left here is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Here is 4 minus 3. We have 1. My decimal point. This becomes my answer. Okay, for number 2. We have 6 and what? 2.85. The kilometers is here. Same as this. Okay, now for difference again, it is minus. What do? Remember I have said for every whole number you see, there's a decimal point behind it. Okay, so I'll put my decimal point at the back here. Alright, now I put a 0 and a 0 here. So again, as in this number 5, I borrow from here. This place becomes 5. The one I borrow, I bring it here, becomes 10. 10, this place becomes 10. But I want a number here. What do? I borrow from here and it becomes what? 9. Adding it here, the place becomes 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. Here is 9 minus 8, we have 1. What we have left here is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. And decimal points. Let's see number 3. Number 3, we have 9. Hope you're following. 9 and 1.375. Same thing we did for these two is what we will do. Put our zeros. Okay. Now having put the zeros, again I borrow from here. I borrow 1 from here, becomes 8. And I put it here, it becomes 10. I borrow from here, it becomes 9. I put it here, it becomes 10. But I need one number here, so what do? Again, I borrow. It becomes 9, and here becomes what? 10. I'm cancelling the zeros so you don't get confused. Alright, so what we have here is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. My decimal point is here. Remember to always put your units when you finish solving. So for this place, this is my final answer. Alright, so for number 4, please try out number 4. Try out number 4. Try out number 4. And leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching.